Natasha, Lepage, letter Y, U for climate. Time is running out. We all know it, but nothing is happening. We have less than a decade to tackle the climate crisis, and after that, we'll reach a point of no return. The science is clear. Our Earth is burning, and we have to take efficient action. Ours and the coming generation will face the worst consequences of climate breakdown. The climate crisis is the biggest threat to humanity, and everyone will face the consequences if we don't act now. We need to achieve carbon neutrality within this decade. We are losing football-sized fields of irreplaceable Amazon rainforest within every minute. We already see heat waves, droughts, wildfires, and floods, and 200 species are disappearing every day. Solving the climate crisis is the greatest and most complex challenge that mankind has ever faced. The main solution, however, is so simple, even a small child can understand it. We have to stop our greenhouse gas emissions. And we are the last generation who can prevent a climate breakdown. We don't have another choice than to go on the streets and make our voices heard. More ambitious, effective, and urgent steps have to be taken. Our lives are at stake. Our voices need to be heard. Luxembourg's slogan is Luxembourg, let's make it happen. So let's make climate justice happen.